Hey guys, good morning. My voice is a little bit down because I just woke. The sun is just ripe. Welcome to my eco special. Um, Today I'll be showing you how to plant pineapple, and I have some pineapple suckers. Sorry about my voice, guys, but I get up this morning and I wanted to do this video, so I'm just gonna go right ahead. Last week I planted some sorrel. I wanted to show you guys how I did it, but I was so eager to plant them, so I'm just gonna show you a video of my little backyard farm. It's not much because I have issues with goats, so it's just a little farm that I put together myself. And today I'm going to plant some pineapple. I hope goat doesn't eat that one because I don't have anything to fence it around right now. So let's get into the video. Welcome to my eco special. So these are the pineapple suckers. So I bought a pineapple, and I saw these little stems pushing out. They were so tiny. I'll show you a video of that as well. So I put it in some dirt. Kitty. I put it in some dirt, and they became so big, and I realized that I could go ahead and plant them out now. I had cleaned up some space in my backyard, and this is it. It's not finished as yet. I'm just gonna pick a spot and plant these out. I have a mango tree right there, and I have some raspberry trees somewhere right there, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a star fruit tree somewhere there. So I'm just gonna pick a spot where I could plant these pineapple. All those bushes around that you see is not a part of my land, so they're just gonna be there until I fence the entire land. Alright, so I'm just gonna pick a spot. I'm gonna sweep it, I'm gonna dig it, and I'm gonna plant these pineapples. So I chose this spot because I was planting some potato here before, and they never came along very well because, as I said before, I have some problem with goats and they'll just ruin everything. So I choose this spot. It's very mature because, as you can see, the ground is very black. I have burned it, and it's good to burn your land before you start planting. I heard it's good. My father used to do it on his farm, so I burned some stuff there the other day because I wanted it to plant. So let's get right into the planting. Let's do some sweeping. I need to remove some of these dry bushes. So I'll use this. This is a garden rake. It's not the best garden rake, but it's very functional. So I'm just gonna set up my camera. I don't have a tripod or anything, so I'm just gonna set up and get right into cleaning. So here's the little spot. It's a small amount of pineapple, but I want to plant them a little bit distant apart. So this is just a little area, and I'm going to use. Next, I am going to use this hoe. It's called a hoe, and I'm going to till the soil, right? So I'm going to loosen the soil so that oxygen and stuff like that can reach the roots of the pineapple so that they could mature. So I'm going to just loosen the soil with this hoe. Is okay with the word sucker? 6 pineapple suckers planted. I'm gonna have to get some fencing for these pineapples because I don't know what the cat, the dog, or the goat's gonna do. So I'm just gonna throughout the course of this day, I'm going to just get some fencing so that I can protect them, because I really want to see these grow and see how well my hands are with these pineapples. So guys, I'll keep you updated on these pineapples and other plants that I'm going to grow. The sorrel that I showed you earlier, they will be ready in the next 3 months, hopefully. Last night I got a dream that they were putting on fruits already, but I'm gonna have to wait until 3 months before I see that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you benefited from something of this video. Guys, I encourage you guys to do backyard farming if you have the space to do it. You can even do gardening in pots, right? If you don't have the space, but it's good. And let me tell you, for me, it take cares of my mental health, right? When I'm outside doing something, I feel so refreshed after I finish. So let me just show you my trees that I was showing you earlier. So this is my raspberry tree. These grass take over it, but I don't mind because it's shaded, right? This is my raspberry tree. My dad brought it for me here, so I planted it. All right, this is my mango tree. There it goes, getting very fluffy. It wasn't thriving the other day and I moved it, so it's thriving here and it's under some shade, so that's good, right? And this also seems like it's thriving. I cleaned it out the other day. And this is a star fruit tree. If you don't know what a star fruit tree is some persons call it gimbalin. I'll show a picture of the star fruit tree, and it's growing very lovely. It's full of ants. I am going to try, right? I think this tree just love ants, or the ants love this tree, but I'm gonna get rid of them somehow. So they're on the trunk, they're on the leaf, so I'm gonna try and get rid of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look at my puppy. Puppy! 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 He's very happy.